Beetroot and potato salad. Place the fresh beetroot on boiling water. Cook for 40 minutes or until tender. Roughly dice the potatoes. And steam for 20 minutes or until tender. We need 1 medium red onion. Mince the red onion. We need lightly chopped parsley to garnish. We need small gherkins. Chop the gherkins finely. On small bowl mix live natural yogurt, red onion, finely chopped gherkins. Add 2 teaspoons of cider vinegar and freshly crushed black pepper. Roughly cut the beetroot. Now let's make the salad. Add the steamed potato and add half of the dressing and set aside the rest of the dressing for garnish. Thanks for watching.